Hello viewers, many people are confused between iPad 10th generation and Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus. I have made many videos on this topic, yet some users are in confusion whether they should buy iPad 10th generation or they should consider Tab S9 FE Plus. If you compare the display of both of these two devices, actually the displays are very good. But I think iPad 10th generation has a brighter display, but you will not feel any difference between these two displays. And if you use only one tablet, in that case you will not even notice that iPad 10th generation is more vibrant display. The advantage with Tab S9 FE Plus is that it has bigger screen size, that is 12.4 inches LCD display. However, on the iPad 10th generation you will get 10.9 inches display, but iPad 10th generation is more portable than Tab S9 FE Plus. If you ask me, I will say that I like the display of iPad 10th generation more because it is brighter. However, the display of Tab S9 FE Plus is not a weak point. Also, in YouTube, you can play 4K 60 FPS videos on iPad 10th generation, but if you want to play 4K 60 FPS on Tab S9 FE Plus, in that case, you will see some stutter and lag while playing 4K 60 FPS videos, as you can see here in this footage. However, Tab S9 FE Plus can play well 1080p 60 FPS videos. The base variant of Tab S9 FE Plus comes with 8GB of RAM, so multitasking is okay with Tab S9 FE Plus. But if you ask me about the multitasking on iPad 10th generation, then I would say that multitasking on iPad 10th generation is fluid and very fast. However, it has only 60 Hz of refresh rate on the display department. In terms of customization, both the tablets are very good. With Samsung, you will get one UI which is very feature rich, and there are many customization options that you can get on Tab S9 FE Plus. On the other hand, iPad 10th generation is running on iPadOS 18.2, which is very feature rich, and you will get a lot of customization features with this iPad 10th generation. Along with iPad 10th generation, you will have pen support, but you will not get the ipencil in the box. You have to buy it separately. Also, you can buy a third-party ipencil. I have bought this Kingone ipencil for my iPad 10th generation, and actually I am getting a very good experience using this ipencil on my iPad 10th generation. Writing experience using this ipencil is very good on this iPad 10th generation. However, I must say that the writing experience on Tab S9 FE Plus is better. In the Note app of iOS, you will get all the features that is needed for a student to take notes and do many other things. I have made a dedicated video about the note-taking experience on iPad 10th generation. Some users want to know about the Scribble features. You have to go into the settings and then you can enable Scribble in the Apple Pencil app, and after enabling you can write anything and it will automatically transform into text format. So this is a great feature. In terms of video editing, iPad 10th generation is very good as it comes with A14 Bionic chipset. You can edit your videos on this iPad 10th generation, and even you can render 4K 60 FPS videos, which is not possible in case of Tab S9 FE Plus. Actually, it's a matter of personal choice whether you like iPad 10th generation or you like Tab S9 FE Plus. These two devices are excellent devices. You can buy any of these two. There are many differential points between these two tablets. I will cover those differences in another video. Otherwise, this video will be very long. And if you like this video, I will make another video comparing these two devices. So let me know in the comment sections below if you want to know anything about these two tablets or any other tablet. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos.